At the beginning of this episode, we see that he tries to run away fast by sitting in his robot soul guiding tool, but he was not fast enough to escape from the wolf. The wolf starts damaging his robot soul guiding tool, and they are not giving up chasing them. This is the golden wolf, which is a very unique soul beast of the Ryu Empire. They have become habituated to eating human meat because this increases their cultivation very fast. Actually, the thing that these people used to eat earlier was a rare element which humans took from their forests to make their soul guiding tools, due to which there was a shortage in their food supply. Hence now they have started eating human meat while running away. Their shield has increased from 100% to 44%, and there is a golden wolf behind us. That means the leader wolf of all of them will also be present nearby, and he is many times more dangerous than them. Yu Hao locates the Silver Moon Wolf King with the help of his spiritual eye, and he knows that wherever it goes, all the other golden wolves will go. So he gives control of this robot soul guiding tool to Juzi and tells him to take care of it, and I will draw the attention of the golden wolf by coming out, and then you will get a chance to run away from here. Juzi forbids him. That way you will be killed, on which Yu Hao says that this will not happen, don't worry about me, and quickly run away from here. Yu Hao immediately uses his wings and gets out of there, and even KK does not believe that Yu Hao did this for them because she considered Yu Hao to be an arrogant and rude boy. Yu Hao attracts their attention by flying above all those golden wolf and throws precious metal towards the golden wolf, which they feel good after eating, and they start coming towards Yu Hao to kill him. Now all the golden wolves are after Yu Hao, and that robot soul guiding tool has gone away from here. They attack Yu Hao while flying, due to which Yu Hao avoids the difficulties and moves forward, attacking him with his soul guiding weapon. Silver Moon Wolf King also jumps on Yu Hao to attack him. But at the right time, he attacks Silver Moon Wolf King with Yu Hao Soul Guide Cannon. But seeing Yu Hao Silver Moon Wolf King, he becomes interested that Soul Guide Cannon had no effect on Silver Moon Wolf King, rather he attacked him. Yu Hao's wings start getting damaged, so he comes down to the ground and starts running away with the help of Soul Guiding Skate's shoes. There are many golden wolves in front and behind Yu Hao, and Yu Hao will not be able to win at all by fighting with the golden wolf, so he uses stimulation to create the illusion of a very powerful ice jade scorpion from within himself, due to which all the golden wolves get a little scared, but Silver Moon Wolf King is not able to control Yu Hao's stimulation, breaks it with one of his attacks, and then the rest of the golden wolves attack Yu Hao. Yu Hao starts running away from there, and he is not feeling his spiritual sea. He tries to wake up Sky Dream Tianmeng, Ice Jade Scorpion Empress, and Ye Lai. Actually, due to the power of Silver Moon Wolf King, Yu Hao's connection with his spiritual sea has been broken. Ice Jade Scorpion Empress is also fond of him because he has never seen such a soul before. Haven't seen a beast that has this ability. Ye Lai also tells Sky Dream Tianmeng and Ice Jade Scorpion Empress that Yu Hao will move forward only when he deals with life and death situations with his own powers. So maybe then I will have to handle him myself from here onwards. Yu Hao also thinks that Silver Moon Wolf King is very fast and it is difficult to run away from him. So now I will have to think of attacking him only, and he will go to the sky again to avoid them. He was trying, but due to some problem he is not able to fly very high, due to which he gets caught by the golden wolf and gets injured a lot, and his wings get completely broken. And then Yu Hao tries to freeze the nearby golden wolves with the power of his ice attribute. He also freezes some golden wolves, but the rest of the golden wolves are coming towards Yu Hao, and he quickly locates the Silver Moon Wolf King. And then he takes out the aura of his ice attribute and uses the power of his 3 eyes golden lion to directly attack the Silver Moon Wolf King, and finally he succeeds in injuring the Silver Moon Wolf King. But this makes the Silver Moon Wolf King even more angry, and he orders all the golden wolves to kill Yu Hao. They all attack Yu Hao together, but then Yu Hao uses the third soul technique named Mass Enfeeblement, Nerve Exhaustion, and then while approaching Silver Moon Wolf King on his skates, he uses Ice Jade Scorpion Empress's powerful ice attribute. And he freezes the other Silver Moon Wolf King around him by using Eternal Freezing Domain. They are all frozen with ice, and then Yu Hao attacks Silver Moon Wolf King with great force, due to which Silver Moon Wolf King dies. Yu Hao there too, he becomes unconscious due to using too much power, and the same robot, Juzi, runs into the soul guiding tool and tries to go back towards Yu Hao. Yu Hao wakes up from unconsciousness And in front of him there is still the Silver Moon Wolf King, who is not completely dead, and he directly attacks Yu Hao. The rest of the Golden Wolves are also freed from the ice, and he then locates the heart of the Silver Moon Wolf King and there tears out his heart with his dark gold terror claw. The Silver Moon Wolf King, in agony, also bites Yu Hao, but then Yu Hao uses Ice Empress Fury and throws him away. Now the Silver Moon Wolf King is completely dead. Seeing this, the rest of the Golden Wolves get angry, and the Golden Wolf immediately attacks Yu Hao. Now Yu Hao has no strength to fight them, but then he uses the Soul Guiding Defense tool of level 9. Its name is Blessing Hongchan, and he survives it, but after being ditched, Juzi falls down while searching for him and reaches him till morning, and Yu Hao is in an unconscious state. A tooth of Silver Moon Wolf King is also stuck in his chest and his whole body is broken. Juzi tries to treat him immediately. And they make him sit in a place and give him medicines and bandages. Silver Moon Wolf King's tooth is stuck right near Yu Hao's heart, and they decide not to take it out now, because if they take it out now then the spot started bleeding profusely, so they are bandaging the rest of the spot. Juzi feels bad for Yu Hao and says she shouldn't have let Yu Hao go alone. Yu Hao was behaving well with us from the beginning, but we allowed this to happen to him too much. Feeling regretful, Yu Hao's body temperature starts becoming normal, and they then remove that tooth, which causes extreme pain to Yu Hao, due to which he closes his teeth very hard and accidentally bites Juzi. But then Yu Hao is healing himself by sitting in his spiritual sea, and then after many hours, Yu Hao wakes up. And he tries to stand up, but Juzi and KK stop him, saying, "Don't stand up right now, you are too injured." Yu Hao says, "When will you guys come back?" KK says, "Don't think about everyone right now and absorb the soul ring of the Silver Moon Wolf King that you have killed, otherwise it will disappear." Yu Hao starts absorbing the soul ring of the Silver Moon Wolf King and then finally absorbs it. Yu Hao's injuries also get cured due to absorbing the soul ring, and now all three of them come back to Ryu Academy, but suddenly some soldiers come there and surround all three of them and tell Yu Hao that we are going to Ryu Academy, that the royal family has come to arrest you. You have bullied a member of the royal family, so you will be punished for that. Come with us and help in the investigation. Wang Shouji is also there, and he makes fun of Yu Hao and says that you were very good at fighting, so who put you in this condition? Juzi understands that Wang Shouji has ordered to arrest Yu Hao. She also tries to stop Wang Shouji, but Wang Shouji does not stop and says that then we will give you punishment at the place where you have no injury, and when students raise their voice against it. So Wang Shouji shouts loudly and silences everyone. After all, how can anyone speak against the royal family? So everyone's eyes bow down. Yu Hao agrees to go with these soldiers and tells Juzi and KK not to worry about him. K tells Juzi that the soldiers start arresting Yu Hao and taking him away. KK asks Juzi, "What should we do now?" To which an angry Juzi says that "I know someone who can help us." Dean Jing Hongqing learns from his elder teacher that the royal family has arrested Yu Hao. Hearing this, Dean Jing Hongqing also gets very angry that how did the royal family have the courage to arrest a member of the Ryu Academy. He starts getting very angry, while Yu Hao is brought to the punishment chamber, and Wang Shouji brings a burning stick forward in front of Yu Hao and asks, "Do you know what is the punishment for hurting a member of the royal family? Now apologize like a dog, and we will reduce your punishment a little." Yu Hao says that if you have already decided that you will punish me, then you will find some reason or the other, whether it is my fault or not, so I will not apologize. He says, "Soldier, maybe you don't know what is important to Wang Shouji." A senior soldier asks one of his soldiers to activate the Dragon Pillar. The Dragon Pillar is a dangerous machine from which 81 sharp thin nails come out at a time. And these 81 nails go inside the body together and then come out and then go inside and rotate slowly. Yu Hao is then ordered to be tied to this Dragon Pillar, while Juzi tries to go to a palace, and when the soldiers stop her, she shows her badge, due to which the soldiers move aside and she starts going inside, and then the episode ends.